Welcome to GoodWe Training Series. Today we will take you through the Suncake Lite series unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the Suncake Lite series box. There are two handles on the case to make it easier to carry. The box contains 4 pieces of Suncake Lite. The product also includes an accessory box and a microinverter. Here are the components included in the accessory box. Introduction of the product. Take a look at the appearance of Suncake Lite from different views. The product is very lightweight and can be lifted with one hand. Installation of the product. We pick up the PV panels gently from both sides. First, we find the right angle to install the PV panels. Pass the stainless steel strap through the strap holes in the frame of the Suncake Lite product. Then tighten the stainless steel strap. When installing, be sure to attach the straps from the back side. All 6 points on the PV panel need to be fixed. Then we fixed between the 2 PV panels. Wrap the strap around the holes in each of the 2 PV panels and tighten the strap. Next, we install the microinverter hookup. Hang the hooks on the armrests. Secure the hooks with screws. Take out the microinverter. Hang the microinverter on the hook. Take out the DC extension cables. First, connect the 2 elements in series with a 1M DC cable. Components farther away from the microinverter are connected to the positive terminal of the microinverter with a 2M DC cable. The module closer to the microinverter is connected to the negative terminal of the microinverter with a 1M DC cable. The other side is connected in the same way. Then take out the AC power cable. One end connects to the microinverter. The other end plugs directly into the socket. The installation of the Suncake Lite is completed. Configuration via SEMS Plus. First, we open the app. Click on the upper right corner to select Server. Enter your account name and password. Click on Login to go to the home screen. Click on the plus sign in the lower right corner to add a device. Add the device by scanning the QR code on the back of the inverter. Select the Wi-Fi signal provided by the system for connection. Choose User and enter a password. Log in and turn on the WLAN switch. Select the corresponding network signal. Enter your login password. The system then automatically configures. After successful configuration, you will be asked to select the region. Next, we create the station. Click Done and the station is created. Go back to the home page, and your station will appear to be up and running. We can enter the station to view information, such as power generation, daily power generation, monthly power generation. You can view device information in the device. Optional installation of product. These are the accessories needed for the installation. In the first step, we mounted the inclined bracket on the back of the PV panel. Place the square nut in the center of the panel and align the holes. Attach the inclined bracket to the PV panel and tighten the screws. Attach the ends of the two inclined brackets to the back of the PV panel. Take out the vertical bracket. Fixing the vertical bracket to the inclined bracket by means of screws. After attaching one end of the vertical bracket to the inclined bracket, take out the other inclined bracket. Secure the two inclined brackets with nuts. Sleeve the inclined bracket and the vertical bracket together with the adjusting nut. Secure the adjusting nut with the cylindrical bracket. The brackets for the panels are then installed. Take out the T-bolts. Install the bolt on the vertical bracket. Nest the catheter stent into the T-nut to secure it. Take out two of the hook holders. Attach two hooks to the vertical bracket. In the next step we can hang the Suncake Lite on the railing. Secure the hooks with screws. Secure by placing set screws into the rail. The installation is now complete. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.